For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The TikTok Shop platform is revolutionizing the way products are marketed and sold online by merging entertainment and e-commerce. Starting a TikTok Shop business is not only cost-effective but also highly scalable with the help of AI tools that streamline everything from product selection to content creation and customer service. This step-by-step guide will show you how to launch your TikTok Shop using AI effectively and efficiently. Step 1. Define your niche and product offering. Choosing the right niche and product is the foundation of your TikTok Shop. AI tools can help you identify trending niches and products that are in demand on social media. Use a tool like Google Trends to evaluate what's currently popular. Combine this with AI-powered product research platforms like Sell the Trend, which uses machine learning to detect trending dropshipping products. You can also use ChatGPT for brainstorming niche ideas. Try the prompt. Give me 10 profitable product niches for a TikTok Shop business targeting Gen Z and millennial users. Once you've narrowed down a niche, prompt ChatGPT to help you choose specific products. What are 5 viral products I can sell in the skincare niche on TikTok Shop? Provide reasons and trends behind each. Step 2. Conduct market and competitor analysis. Before investing in inventory or branding, it's important to understand your competition and market demand. Use ChatGPT or Claude to summarize competitive TikTok Shop accounts. Feed it links to top TikTok Shop profiles in your niche and prompt. Analyze these TikTok Shop pages and summarize their product pricing, content strategies, and engagement rates. For deeper competitive insights, tools like Shopify Inspector or Koala Inspector can show product performance, pricing models, and sales tactics used by similar shops. Step 3. Create a business and marketing plan using AI. AI can simplify the creation of a comprehensive business and marketing plan. Use ChatGPT with the prompt. Write a TikTok Shop business plan for a store selling fitness accessories. Include sections on product sourcing, marketing, operations, and growth strategy. For your marketing strategy, prompt. Create a 3-month TikTok marketing plan for a TikTok Shop that sells beauty gadgets. Include weekly content ideas, promotional tactics, and KPIs. If you prefer structured templates, Notion AI can also generate detailed business plans and content calendars based on your niche and goals. Step 4. Source products and set up your TikTok Shop. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to source inventory and open your TikTok Shop account. Use AI-powered sourcing tools like Spocket or Zendrop, which recommend suppliers based on your niche and integrate directly with TikTok Shop and Shopify. These tools offer smart filters for pricing, shipping time, and reviews to help you pick the best vendor. Visit TikTok Shop Seller Center and register as a seller. Provide your business documents, link your bank account, and start listing products. You can use ChatGPT to optimize product descriptions. Write a TikTok Shop product description for a posture corrector aimed at office workers. Make it attention-grabbing and persuasive. Step 5. Develop viral video content with AI. TikTok's success depends on visually engaging, native-style content. AI tools can now help you script, edit, and even generate voiceovers. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. Give me 10 TikTok video content ideas to promote a reusable water bottle in a fun, relatable way. To write your video scripts, try. Write a 15-second TikTok script for a trending skit promoting a hair curler. Include hook, product mention, and call to action. For video editing, tools like CapCut, recommended by TikTok itself, come with AI-generated subtitles, filters, and smart background music suggestions. Pictory AI can convert long-form videos into bite-sized TikTok clips. Lumen 5 can also create video content from text scripts. You can even use 11 Labs for AI voiceovers or DID for AI-generated avatars if you're shy on camera. Step 6. Optimize hashtags, captions, and posting time. TikTok's algorithm rewards optimized, relevant content. Use AI to enhance your discoverability. Tools like RightTag and Hashtagify use AI to recommend high-performance hashtags based on your product and current trends. Prompt ChatGPT to create captions. Write 5 funny and engaging TikTok captions for a video promoting a portable blender. You can also ask, what are the best times to post TikTok videos for an audience of fitness enthusiasts in the US? Use this information to plan your posting schedule using tools like Later or Metrical, which leverage AI for predictive engagement analytics. Step 7. Set up AI-driven customer support and feedback collection. Good customer service keeps your audience loyal and reduces returns or bad reviews. AI chatbots can handle this at scale. Install tools like Tidio or MiniChat, which use AI to respond instantly to customer queries about product delivery, usage, and policies. For post-sale feedback, use AI survey generators like Typeform with GPT-4 integration to create personalized review requests. Generate a friendly post-purchase survey for customers who bought a phone tripod from my TikTok shop. You can also summarize feedback using ChatGPT. Summarize and analyze 100 customer reviews for patterns and suggestions for improvement. Step 8. Use AI analytics for scaling. Monitor and analyze performance with tools like TikTok Analytics, Shopify Analytics, or Analysa.io, which include AI features to show you trends, conversions, and customer behavior. You can feed your metrics into ChatGPT and ask, based on my TikTok shop metrics, CTR 3.5%, conversion 1.1%, best product, massage gun, how should I improve my next 30-day strategy? You'll get actionable suggestions on content types, targeting, ad spend, and influencer partnerships. Step 9. Run AI-powered TikTok ads. When you're ready to scale, invest in paid promotions through TikTok Ads Manager. Tools like Pattern89 and AdCreative.ai use AI to generate and A/B test ad creatives, predict ad fatigue, and optimize for click-through and conversion. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Create a TikTok ad script and caption for a trending waist trainer aimed at women aged 18 to 35. Then paste your script into AdCreative.ai to generate the visuals and launch your campaign directly from TikTok Ads Manager. By following these AI-enhanced steps, you'll be equipped to launch and scale a TikTok shop that's modern, profitable, and built for the attention economy. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.